The tip today, screen the hell out of your contractors. Sorry for the profanity, but I wanted to get the point across. Many contractors are contractors for one main reason. They can't keep a job working for somebody else. They're lazy, they're inconsistent, I hate contractors and I love contractors, but you've got to find the right ones. And it needs to be their current history that you look at, not reports from a year ago, 5 years ago. Those are irrelevant. They got to be within the last month or so. Why do I tell you this? The reason is that contractors can be good one year and bad the next. Contractors can be good 6 months ago and bad this month. Why? They get pocket rich. These contractors go out, they do a few big deals, they get a bunch of money in their pocket, and their mentality is, oh man, I got my bills paid for the next 6 months. I'm just going to take the next 6 months off. Yeah, that's stupid as hell, but that's the mentality of some of these contractors. Even the big names. Yes, let me say that again. Even the big names. So when you go out and hire a contractor, you want to make sure that you have gotten the references and spoken to at least 2 people who have done business with them within the last 30 to 60 days. That's the type of referral that you need. Then, when it comes to paying them, it's not 50% up front, it's 33%. Then 33% when they finish that work, and then 34% when they complete and they've gone through the punch out list. Then you want a penalty for being late. If they say, I'll have this done in 7 weeks, what I do is I give them an extra week. I say, okay, at the end of 8 weeks, I'm giving you an extra week, my holding costs are $150 a day on this deal. For every day you go past 8 weeks, it's $150 penalty off the price. That penalty will get them to prioritize your house and get it done on time. So 33, 33, 34 on the payment. Always have a penalty for being late, and check 2 current references. They should be 30 days, 60 days old at max. And inspect, don't expect, trust but verify. You've got to stay on top of contractors because contractors are contractors. And that's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.